guys, and today for Build a Boat, we are going to try to troll people. Now, if we are actually trolling you, I'm very sorry, but it's worth it. No, it's not. We will not be doing anything too bad, but we will, lawyer, we will definitely not, okay, we're going to agree not to drop the bomb. No, we're dropping the bomb right now. We're doing it. No! He made this weird balloon mech and I don't get it. It's made of all balloons. You know what you need to do? You need to get like 100,000 balloons or something and make an actual big mech with it. Bro, that'd be cool. That'd actually be cool. No, I'm gonna drop this bomb. Let's drop this bomb. We have somebody. Is Crispy Boy your friend? Please say no. No. Good. Guys, we're just adjusting some things right here. Okay. Yay! Red team attack! Bruh, they launched! No! No! They launched! What's the fun? No. I am not doing that. Okay, guys, we're just gonna drop a bomb on white. Like red team does. Which is sad. Which is very sad, guys. And the bomb stay away! Of course you do. Don't we all, guys? It's just always what we wanted to hear from him. We wanted to hear something from a squeaky little mouse. Or he says peep. Or he's a duck and he says quack. Do you want the funny stuff? You need it right now. No, I don't. No, we're cool. We're cool. So anyway. I never promised y'all a good video, so let's get this over with. Okay, so you're gonna troll somebody with my mech, right? Yes. Okay, which one? Purple Rain or Black Bullet? Hey guys, look at my duck impression. Oh my god. Okay, at the end, if this video gets 1,000 likes or 1,000 views, I will post a video of a duck with him in the game. Yes, it'll be a video called The Duck. Okay, guys? The Duck. And he'll be going quack, 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 quack with his character. So don't judge me. Okay, which one? Purple Rain or Black Bullet? You want the Joe Mama one? No, the okay, got it. This thing? This one? This bad boy? I like your weird balloon mech. That looks like a demon. Stop. Your hat's kind of offline. Your hat's. Why don't you drive it? What are you doing? Stop summoning demons. I told you twice. Go! You didn't listen. What are you gonna do, little pipsqueak? Go kill me? Eh? Yes, I'm gonna murder you. How? Wait! Red team! Red team! Bomb Aruma! Bomb! I'm gonna actually murder you. Bomb. Oh. So, he can only do that if this video gets infinity likes? No, that will never happen. Okay, then you're never gonna kill me. I am very surprised for a mobile player. It is me, the one and only. build a bunch of Micromen. Come in, hot red team! You messed with my friend! You messed with me. BBB! Ah! Tree!
If you subscribe right now, I'll show you how to be a duck.
Yes, he will.
The duck lady.
He does not lie. Kaboom!
No scam.
Shh. Hang on. Ah! They murdered me. Red team, my explosion was too big and I killed their thing or whatever. Yeah, my explosion was too big for me. Why, guys? This is perfect. Okay. Okay, guys. I'm gonna make it up to you now. Okay. Use Black Bullet, my guy. Use it. It's good for you. Black Bullet loves people. They love lawyers. Okay. Do purple rains like lawyers? Do they?
No. I do not die. I slide with a little green eye.
Oh, he's a snake, boys. I'm gonna run. Okay. Remember I said this video was about trolling? Should I do this, lawyer? Should I actually break your friend's heart?
Joe, mama.
Should I? Is that a yes or a no?
Joe, mama. It was a yes.
Don't touch. Hi. Sorry, my guy, if you're watching this. Yeah. Have fun with your rocket launcher thingy, dude. It's for a fin.
Look at the mech. Look at his funny arm.
No, you shall drive Black Bullet. Ah, no! Talk to me or you die! You die. No, this is how it goes. Daba! Diba! Yes, and he will become the one and only Microman Duck. Diba!
Oh no, they call me duck. I'm duck.
Diba!
That's for you too.
Yeah, and you call me Turtle. I don't care why, just call me Turtle.
Smell like turtle.
Thank you! You smell like duck poop. Yes, I am on video. What did you think the whole time? Bruh! Say hello to the YouTube world, my guy! Okay, everybody, call him a duck. You're a duck. Okay, he didn't hear y'all, but okay, it was worth it. Do what? White team! Attack white! Now! Attack! I don't care, just attack white. Attack! Yes, you!
I will attack white.
Bomb. Guys, we're doing this! Diva! Guys, if you need a duck, just say Diva and he's got your back. Okay? Simple. It's simple.
I'm so confused. I never agreed to any of this. Guys, he's taking me hostage.
Too bad, you. Just go with it, my guy. We're attacking my team.
He took me hostage.
I don't, guys, no, I'm not robbing him. Just don't listen to him, okay? He's a duck. What do you think? He's a duck. No.
No, I'm not a duck.
But you just said it. Oh yeah? You trying to copy?
I'm not a duck.
You bomb. You try to kill my bomb. I try to kill you. cute. I like turtles.
You know what the turtle is?
Duh. Bruh.
Man, are you still recording?
Yes, man.
Yes?
Yes. Yeah, it's Joe Mama. Who knew it? The duckling likes Joe Mama. Oh.
I have to go now. See you guys. I have had to leave because my screen was acting like Fubu Kaka.
Okay. He's a duck. Don't worry about it. Okay. Anyways, guys.
Guys, don't listen to him. He likes minors.
I like what?
He likes minors. Don't.
No, this kid.
He got basement for $10. Guys,
He practically killed himself, but then rejoined. Okay. He's the one on hostage. Don't care about him. He's just a duck, guys. It's okay. He's just a poor little duck sitting in a tree, and he's going to the girl duck. K-A-S-S-I-N-G. Well, you're a duck, so what do I care? You're a duckling, okay? Okay, guys. Okay. And some point in this video, there's gonna be a video of a duck. No, not a video. A picture of a duck. Okay, make that easier for me. Okay. I'm not that good at it right now. I don't have my stuff.
my character should be duck. I'm duck.
Okay, don't name it lawyer, bro. Just name it duck. Right, guys? Get this. Just post what y'all think in the comments if it should be duck.
If you say duck in comments, we will give you one. Right?
Bruh!
Hey, duck.
Say it! Listen to him!
If you say duck right now,
Yeah, and you also gotta like. Oh, guys, I have an idea. We need to troll people, but we're gonna do it the hard way, okay? What if we trolled them with my racetrack? Would that be cool? So, like, I know I load it in, we use it, and then it's gonna attract people to come over here. So, you just get up there, and however you're gonna do it. Okay, yeah, you're going up there the hard way. I could just walk into a block and bam, I'm up there. So let's see, guys. Anchor off, collision off.
it's on that,
On the what?
on that funny little portal.
No, I cannot.
Hey, buddy. I'm frog.
No, you shall use the. I'm just doing this to attract people. Guys, he's a duck. What do you expect from him? He's a duck.
He's gonna kill my family. He's gonna take them. He's gonna keep me. Come on, guys.
He's just a duck pissing in the pond. Ah! I'm getting in my car. If you can beat me, then you can kill me, okay?
My brother is a cop.
I don't care, bro. If you can beat me, if you can. Bro, if you can beat me in the race, I will let you sacrifice me. Okay?
Turn on isolation mode. This guy's getting on my nerves.
Okay. Come up here. Race me, and if you win, I'll let you kill me.
Turn off. Little man.
No, like teleport up here so you can actually get out of the car. Yeah, guys. Make him.
With this egg. I'm an egg. That's
Okay, hurry up. Hurry up. People want you to hurry up. We ain't waiting all day, huh? I can't okay. You can only do that if you win the race, though. 1 lap. And I'm gonna do dirty racing.
Why can't I be human again? I was so small in that one.
Can you come up here? Come up here. We're racing. Okay, he's coming up, guys. And do not use the egg.
If you're up there on the racetrack, you like them. Why are you still up there, Michael?
I'm not on the track. I'm on the floor.
Smart thinking. Now why can't I get through this portal?
Just walk through it. It's closing off. Walk through the portal.
I can't go through it.
Just fly up here with wings.
No, I'm not gonna do that. I'm gonna do that.
Okay.
Delete the portal down here. You like how I walk, you like how I talk, like how my face is in it.
Go through your portal.
Huh?
Go through your portal.
Please, delete the portal down.
There.
God.
Sorry for the wait, guys. Could have had some
Stand on the crate.
ish.
Stand on, if you have a car right now and you're using it and you're about to use it for the race, you like them.
Well, guess what? I'm not in the car.
If you touch the floor, you like them.
You like, man. You're.
You like them.
Well, yes.
There's 10 seconds. 3, 2, 1. I'm running. Yo, if you touch the car.
Okay, anyways, just get on the car. We're waiting on you. We're tired of waiting. Guys, you can skip that part if you wanted. You're not murdering anybody!
Stop. Wait up. Hold up.
And so do I! Do not make me have to do this.
Stop babies are named. Stop it.
Wait, what in the world? Go, move it. Move it, Chick Mom.
Okay, let's play around with something else.
Hmm.
Things that I haven't showed you yet.
Somebody has isolation mode on. That sucks. That sucks, you. Duck. Shut up, you duck. I'm tired of you trying to kill me. Ah!
No, this is how duck.
Shut up, Donald. Shut up, Donald the duck. Ah! You know what, guys? He's deserved it. I'm doing it! I'm doing it, guys! I'm sorry. Just say goodbye to Microman, okay? He loves the race.
That was nice.
Oh my god. I'm just gonna get this over with.
You're gonna kill me?
No! You coming? You coming, Duck? Come with me. You get out there. I don't care. Well, meet me in heaven, duckling. Say goodbye to the fresh world. Ah.
It was so sad that so almost thought it was supposed to contact.
Ah.
Well, peace on.
Holy crap, I just laid a green egg, bro.
Green eggs and sound. And look, let's review this egg. Let's see what I got green eggs in town.
Oh my god.
Look over there.
It's your egg. Don't listen to the feathery duck. They're all hairy, they peel themselves, and he just drinks pond water.
I'm going to tell people about the vice word.
Oh yeah?
I'm going to start war with the US.
Holy crap, you Russia! You got that bomberama or whatever the heck it's called bomb.
I'm going to put a bomb in your face.
Oh yeah? So am I! Bruh, it's your egg. I can't anchor it.
I know, it is my egg. This is how I had baby.
Yeah, this kid's flirting with his egg.
No, I'm not.
Yes, you are! Oh, Chiffer, please add kick. I need to kick this duck. He's just quacking all day long! Every time I wake up in the morning, I'm playing my game, he be quack, quack, quack. Every time I'm trying to go to sleep, right? Quack, quack. Okay, every time I'm posting a video, he comes in my room, and he tell me, Isaac, listen to me right now. Quack, quack.
I'm a tooth fairy. I can give you free money if you don't talk. Today, I'm gonna give you free money.
No, you're not, because you're a duck. You're probably going to give him your toenail, your, I don't know, you're probably going to give him feathers.
I'm going to kill Joe.
No, don't kill Michael, man! No! Help me! Help me! Hey, I can't be banned from that. You need to be quiet right there, buddy. I'll talk to you about it later. Just don't talk about that in the video. It's okay. Don't have to get banned.
I have your grandma hostage. I have your
I don't care. You laid that egg, so. That's your egg. You pooped it out of your duck. Your duck butt.
I didn't.
I bet you can't catch me.
I bet you can't begin.
Bruh. You wanna catch me? You really wanna catch me? Huh?
I love them.
Alright. Guys. I need to give you a shout out to this guy. Quarge. He built the huge ship on Reddit. I posted it. Join Quargage's team, buddy. Join him, Nor. I'm gonna say, buddy, let me join. I am. Hey! We gotta join Quargage!
I got a duck. I got an egg.
Yeah! Let me join him! Quargage, let me join you! Look! Look, zoom out. See his big boat?
No, that's illegal.
That's the one from the Reddit.
Who cares about?
A duck does, apparently, because he comes in my room every day and says quack, 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 quack.
No, I don't even know where you live.
Oh, yeah? I have a clip of it. I'm going to pull it up twice if I need to.
No, don't do that, or else I'm going to murder your cat.
Yeah, right, buddy. You know what? You've caught me there. I'll give a shout out to Corker. She built this boat, and it took him almost a year to build. I'm gonna end this right here, guys, because of this duck. Me and the duck are fixing to have a fist fight because he just laid another egg. So, peace out. I am gonna post a picture. I did. I'm saying that to myself because it's gonna be in there somewhere. So, yeah, bye.